Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show your followers on your Facebook profile. Before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. First, simply open up your Facebook app. Make sure you are logged into your account. Now click on three lines on the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, click on your profile. Tap on the three dots beside Edit Profile. Select Follow Settings. Here, make sure every setting is set to public. After you're done, go back, scroll down, and click on Turn on Professional Mode. Tap Turn On. Now, as you can see, your followers and following on your Facebook profile are now visible to the public. So that's how easy it is. If you find this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share it to your friends, and hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.